How many sheep do you see?
One.
Circle me one.
1, 2, 3.
Good job.
1, 2.
How many do you see? 0.
2.
You don't see nothing, so it's 0.
1, 2, 3, 4.
How many do you see?
So 1.
That's right, 0. Good job. Do it all by yourself.
1. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3.
Keep counting, please.
One, 2, 3, 4. 4. So 1.
You got one more left. What else you got left here? This one is done. Is this one done?
So 1.
Good job. It's 0 because there's none. Good job. Awesome.
1, 2, 3, 4. 7.
Awesome. Awesome. Good job. Awesome. Give me 5 for knowing what you're doing. Good job, Maxie.
2, 3, 4. 7.
So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice catch, buddy. Give me 5. Yeah. Okay, lesson is over. You can go now. Thank you so much for being a good boy in school. Thank you.